Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Highway 2000, the road from Kingston to Montego Bay. Now, we did a video recently saying it was a mistake. It wasn't part of the Mega Mistake series. It was a mistake not to build this road from Kingston to Montego Bay in one go. And we got a lot of comments stating that it was the cost. But I just want to go through how all that would have worked. Now, the Jamaican government, when they had the idea to build the road, it was actually the IDB Bank that came up with the idea to connect both international airports and to connect people to the major tourist attractions, which is why Ocherios came into play, via a highway. So Kingston to Montego Bay would connect both international airports. And the plan that they had was actually to build a highway in one go and make it a toll road, and the toll would pay for the building of the road. Now, they went through the IFC, and it was basically an international venture. And they came up with, basically a French company won the bid. But it was then decided not to build a highway in one go, but to split it up into sections, which is where the mistake came in. They should have built it in one go. Now, people are saying the cost would have been too much. But remember now, the original bids that went out were to build a highway in one go. And although the Jamaican government would have to give a revenue guarantee, it would be the foreign company that would pay to build the road, and then they collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road. They were given a 30-year concession to collect toll on the road, and that toll would be used to pay for the building of the road. And if in any one year the toll did not cover the cost of building the road, because they would spread it out over a time period, like every year a certain amount goes towards the building of the road, the Jamaican government would step in and make a payment for any shortfall. That's where the revenue guarantee came in. So technically, the road would have been paid for. Basically, it would have been a loan by the foreign company. They advance the money, build the road, and then collect the toll over the 30 years to pay for the building of the road. So it's not a case where the Jamaican government was paying to build a road or money was an issue. Now, let's look at the performance of this road. It makes millions of US dollars profit every year. That's from the construction of from the toll, which goes towards building the road. Now, the section of the road from Kingston to Maypen has paid for itself already. The company that collects the toll, Trans Jamaica Highway, has actually bought out the French company, paid them off for the road. That's how successful this road is. This road makes billions of Jamaican dollars from toll, millions of US dollars in profit. So if the road was built from Kingston to Montego Bay, it would have paid for itself already, and Jamaica would have had a highway connecting the two cities and connecting the two international airports. So that's why we say it was a mistake not to build a road in one go. Now, there were factors like there was no toll road in Jamaica. Nobody knew if Jamaicans would pay toll. Well, they did, and they do, and the roads make money. So even now, today, with the roads making that kind of money, the rural highway still has not reached Montego Bay yet. The highway goes as far as Williamsfield in Mandeville, in Manchester. And then from there, it's going to go to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. And then from Hodges in St. Elizabeth, it splits. One leg will go to Negril and another leg go to Montego Bay. So that's why we said it was a mistake. It's taking way too long. And if it was done back then, the road would have paid for itself already. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.